Now, this is our marathon season first question. It says, which of the following is exclusive properties of a transverse wave? So we're talking about what properties of what wave. I have made a video on these properties and characteristics of what wave. If you have not watched it, go and check it. So when we mean exclusive, means something that does not belong to something. So what does not belong to the properties of a what? Transverse wave. The first one is it the fraction, compression, or polarization? Let me know your answer because these are what marathon season. Let me know your answer on the comment section. But then, what is diffraction? Diffraction is the bending of light when it's encounter an obstacle, or is bending of light around an obstacle when it is being what encountered. So let this be an obstacle. Let's say there is a wave coming through this particular side here. You're gonna see that it is going to bend around this what obstacle. That is what we call what diffraction. Now, what about reflection? Diffraction and diffraction. This one is what refraction. Refraction has to do with two medium. Let's say this here is a water, and here are the water medium. Now, this becomes a what air, which is a what air as a what medium. Now, air is less denser than what water. So, for instance, if a wave is passing through from air to this water, there is going to be a shift of hand from the wave direction in this form. Now, let's say I draw a normal line from this part to this part. You're gonna see that the angle have shifted. Instead of this wave to move like this, it has what bend. This bend is what we call what refraction. So this is what becomes what refracted ray, and this becomes what incidented ray. That's what we mean by what refraction. Now, what about completion? Completion, you should know that. Now, what about polarization? Polarization is whereby a scattered light is being what joined together by a what polarizer. All right. So let's say this is a light. This is a light ray. You see how it is scattered. Now, since it is scattered, if you want to make it to appear to be what one, now I can put a polarizer of this form. Once I put this polarizer, if this different um parties of wave, I don't want to mention the name so I don't know the answer. If this passes through this polarizer, it's going to now occur to be in a what straight line. So this process is what we call what polarization, whereby the material which polarize this light is what we call polarizer, and here it is what polarized light. All right, so which of these is the answer of this question? Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe so I'm going to see more questions on our marathon season. Also, comment on the comment section the answer, and if you're not already on my online WhatsApp class, WhatsApp me on 08153957022. Once you WhatsApp me here, I'm going to add you 08153957022. Thank you.